What's up, everyone? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, hey girl, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you will never miss another upload from me. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this style right here. Y'all always love when I do crochet hair tutorials, so here's another one for you. The name of the company is NISEYO. And when you order the hair, it does come with 8 packs. I used about 6.5 packs to achieve this style. I also went in with some other hair that I had to add a little bit more curl to it, but I'll show you guys that later on. If you are ready to see how to get this look, make sure you continue to watch. Of course, want to begin with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and next I'm going to go in with my oil. I like to put my growth oil on my scalp and just massage my scalp before I do any protective style that's going to be in my hair for a few weeks. Alright, to begin, you're going to start out by sectioning your hair off. I section it off in 2 parts. And I do crochet so much, y'all, my hair is just like in permanent parts, okay? So I just have like a little section up top, and I'm going to put the rest of the hair in a rubber band. Depending upon the style determines how many braids go across the perimeter of my hairline. So I'm thinking I'm going to do about 12 to 14 braids today. So let's just go ahead and get started. I've tried many different braid down patterns, but I must say this is my favorite go-to braid down pattern. I do my 12 to 14 braids in the front, and then in the back I connect them while doing 6 braids in the back. And baby, let me tell you, those braids look janky in the back. I don't worry about parting the hair, making sure anything is straight, because ain't nobody gonna see it. And they did give me with a crochet needle, so you don't have to worry about getting a crochet needle. And let's just go ahead and begin. So crocheting hair is super easy, and I will talk you step by step on the process that I'm doing to crochet this hair in, so just watch. Alright, so to crochet these braids in, what you want to do is you just take one strand. And for my edges, y'all already know, if you've been following me for a while, I've had 2 kids within the last 4 years. So whenever I get pregnant and after childbirth, my edges come out. So my edges have always been sensitive, so I try not to put them like right there on the edge. I like to go back just a tad bit. I try not to put too many on one braid as well. You want to take your needle while it's still in the loop and bring it around and hook it on the end of the hair. Close the hook and pull it through. So with these in the front, I like my part to be on this side, so I'm going to take them at an angle. I'm going to do some straight and I'm going to do some at an angle. So these on the edge, I'm going to do at an angle. I'm going to go in at an angle so it can fall this way. And if I do it straight, that means it's going to be coming down like straight like this. So I want it to go at an angle, like going back. I want it in my face, but not too much. Okay, so the first 2 packs that I opened up, the hair, like the loop at the top, was loose. It was super loose, and it was just so easy for me to get the hook through to install the hair. However, this 3rd pack, baby, this loop is so small. I do not like when the hair comes like this. How do you expect me to put this in my head? I think I'm just gonna open up another pack and see how the top of that hair is. But yeah, the loop on this pack is so tight. Alright guys, so here is what my hair looks like after putting in 4.5 packs. And I thought it was gonna be a little bit more curly, so I do have some hair that I'm going to crochet in, some crochet hair that I've had in the past. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna crochet in the curls, and I'm just gonna show y'all how I do that, and we'll be right back. So I'm taking the hair and I'm just stretching it out. You know how like when you're braiding hair to make it longer and to get it from being so even at the end, you stretch it out? That's what I'm doing right now. And it's going to make it a little longer. So yeah girl, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and also share this video if you found it useful. If you guys want another video of me showing you different styles you can achieve with this crochet hairstyle, definitely let me know down below, because you can do like a high ponytail. I've been wearing it in a high ponytail with a bun, and also you can do half up, half down. There's a lot of different styles that you can achieve with this one crochet style. Also, I will have all the information for where you can get this hair down below in the description box. So guys, make sure you check out the description box. Anything you want to know is down there. And like I said in the beginning, I use 6.5 packs. You do get 8 packs when you order it, so you get more than enough hair. And if you want more curl, of course you can go in with some curly crochet hair and just crochet in a little bit to just give you more curl and give you a little bit more fullness, because that's what I was needing. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Peace out.